Did you know that over 10% of all vehicle crashes involve commercial drivers? That's why proper training is essential to ensuring safety and compliance on the road. At OSHA Education School, we've designed the Commercial Driver's Suite Training, a comprehensive online course bundle that covers everything you need to know about safe and responsible driving. Compliance Safety Accountability Overview for drivers. Understanding the CSA system and how it affects your driving record. DOT driver, compliance. Stay compliant with DOT regulations and avoid costly violations. Safe vehicle operations. Learn best practices for handling your vehicle in all conditions. Vehicle and roadside inspections. Master pre-trip and post-trip inspections to ensure road readiness. Driver wellness. Maintain physical and mental well-being for long-haul success. Accident and breakdown procedures. Know exactly what to do in an emergency. HAZMAT transportation. Security awareness. Transport hazardous materials safely and legally. Driver fatigue. Recognize signs of drowsiness and apply strategies to stay alert. Load securement and distribution. Ensure cargo stability and proper weight distribution. Proper training isn't just about compliance, it's about protecting lives, preventing accidents, and ensuring smooth operations on the road. This course will teach you critical skills to reduce risks, follow regulations, and stay safe. Whether you're a new driver or looking to refresh your skills, this bundle will enhance your knowledge, improve your driving record, and keep you road ready. By completing this course, you'll gain valuable safety knowledge, industry-recognized certification, and the confidence to drive smarter and safer. Plus, this training is 100% online, so you can learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Take control of your career and safety on the road. Click the link in the description to enroll now and complete the Commercial Driver's Suite training course today.